Ito po yung DTF machine po namin dito sa Tuguegarao na nagamit ng 7 araw na may total meters na 36. Ito naman yung printer head. Ito naman yung copying. Head clean. Punasan ang wiper after head clean. Nozzle check. Dito naman yung ink tank area. Ang ink system level namin is tama lang. Dito naman yung waste tank na nalinis nung Friday. Ito naman yung AVR na may 220 volt. Ito naman yung ground wire. Dito naman yung stock namin ng used ink. Unused ink, DTF film, and DTF powder. Dito naman yung records na nagamit sa Cyan, magenta, yellow, black, white, and powder. Ito naman yung daily output and daily checklist.